Hey everyone, welcome back to Lavendaire. It's Aileen. So today I'm going to kickstart a new journaling series happening not here but on IGTV on the Shop Lavendaire account. So we're doing this to celebrate the launch of the new Pastel notebooks coming out on September 25th. I'm so excited about them. If you follow me on Instagram or anything, you know that I've been working on these since the beginning of the year, and I've just been like tweaking them, going through like multiple rounds of samples until they were finally like a quality that I really felt proud of. So I'm just super excited about that. So to celebrate that, we're doing a whole journaling series on IGTV. It will be an email series plus like video on IG. So if you sign up for the email series, you'll get more content. It's completely free. The email series link is just down below. It's lavendaire.com/lavinotebooks. So what we're gonna do is over the next 6 weeks, each week there will be an email and an IGTV video coming out talking about journaling on a specific topic or a specific area of life. So we're gonna start with journaling for beginners, and then journaling for self-reflection, all the way to journaling for fears and anxieties and worries, journaling for healing and forgiveness, journaling for self-love, for success, for your goals. So we're gonna cover a lot of areas over the next 6 weeks, and it's really fun because I'm gonna share just a few prompts in the video and just some, I guess, ideas to get you going. And then in the email, that's where we'll send you like the full list of prompts and also downloadable worksheets and things like that, because it's like way too much to repeat like 20 prompts in a video. The emails and videos will be coming out every Saturday at 9 a.m. PST, so you'll have the whole weekend to kind of journal, self-reflect, and take some time for self-care. So I'm really excited about this. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna try it on IGTV, which I haven't really done a series on it yet, but I'm excited to just create more content on that Shop Lavendaire account. So if you're interested, check out the first IGTV video on Shop Lavendaire. The link is down below, as well as the link to sign up for that email series. And we are also doing giveaways throughout this whole journaling series. We're gonna pick 6 winners to give out a set of the new Pastel notebooks to. And the way you enter is just to participate in this journaling series and make any post with a hashtag #LaviNotebooks. So that way we can see it and share it, because I love seeing your journaling posts. Maybe take a picture of your journaling pages, or if you don't want to share that, just like make a post talking about what you learned going through this journaling series, what you discovered about yourself, because I love hearing those things as well. So I'm excited for this. Make sure to sign up and check it out on IGTV, and make sure to mark your calendars for September 25th. That's the launch date for the Pastel notebooks, and a lot of people have been asking. The 2020 Artist of Life workbook will be coming out on November 1st. So the next launch dates are September 25th and November 1st. Mark your calendar, save the date, and get ready for new stuff in the shop. I am super excited. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the journaling series on IG. Bye!